Well, it's Friday, December 8th, I think. And yeah, guess what? Still landscaping. Today I got the bark blower. You probably can't even see it in these mirrors. Got the bark blower. I'm heading out to do some mulching here in late December. I actually just winterized the machine and put it away. Got it all covered up, serviced, and I thought I was going to be done with it for the year. But somebody called, so they needed it done for some playgrounds that they were working on constructing. So we're gonna head up there and mulch away. It's still pretty warm outside. Well, not pretty warm, but it's still above freezing, so it's bearable. We'll get her done. No big deal. So we'll see you on the site. All right, we're on the job now. Just getting my morning coffee finished up. He's loading me up. I'm working with another landscaper today, Top Shelf Landscaping out here in Clarence. I'm gonna be running the bark blower for him, and they're gonna help me moving stuff around. So he's loading me up with his S650 Bobcat, and we're gonna get spraying here in shortly. So this is the site here. It's a all-natural playground. I've never seen anything quite like this. Look at how nasty this is coming in here. Could you imagine having a wheelbarrow through this? No way. So they put some sod down yesterday, he was saying. You can see that. All stone paths. Bunch of just wood chips and plants, and it's all natural, organic. So we're gonna be mulching this area here, just across the walkway over there, and then another small area on the front side. So this is the strangest playground I've ever seen. But it is what it is, I guess. We'll get her done. Wanna grab that? That's all right. It's supposed to. Jesus. Freaking mud. Somebody will have to be behind me at some point. There's a fitting. I normally tell him to stand by. Kind of, well, it's down that way. There's a fitting. If he stands somewhere behind that, but I'll need him occasionally to pull it back. Okay. It's not like every second, because I'll probably have to stand and just, I can hit a lot in one shot.
Okay.
The rest of this slack can be pulled out now.
Okay. Hey, pull the rest of the slack out.
Oh yeah.
Roll it too.
Oh yeah.
This is literally like a one-man operation.
Besides moving the hose around occasionally and having somebody on cleanup work when you're working on.
So how many yards can you do, like, if you're just straight blowing? Like,
Straight blowing, and somebody can film it on the move, I can probably push 10 or 12 an hour. With it blowing full speed. Okay.
and then we'll let out where everything's nice and flush. We got the mulch from just this no dye shit. He said he needed,
Gossel?
huh?
Bryce?
Yeah. What company is that?
Gossel?
They do a lot in the cell towns then?
Yeah, they're out of,
Don't worry about those roots. We'll cut all those out.
okay. He's out of, where are they out of? Elma, or no, Alden.
Yeah, it's like he picked up in like West Seneca.
That's his grandparents' place.
Okay. You ever seen these service berries?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
No, but they're bigger, the ones we got.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, they love everything. So fucking
Welcome to commercial work.
It is crazy. I've never seen it. But these things get pretty big. Good God. It's done.
That's a full hop.
They make a 6-yard one?
Yeah. They got away with a 5-yard and they went to a 6. And it's you can get it truck mounted or trailer. Both. It's like a combination. So they share the same upper, and then you can basically just buy a frame and axles and they bolt it on.
Yeah, that's the way to do it. Yeah, I think you lose that truck.
You got a whole truck tied up in there. Just up by us.
Do a lot or no?
We do a fair amount, but we're not like a lot of other guys that we pride ourselves on the fact that we show up.
And 9 properties, that's it.
We don't take on a lot.
Yeah, that's my philosophy too. We do 9 properties to charge the fuck up for them. But they're all down to blast out by 5 a.m. So
I think that's a better look than taking on 400 driveways.
My one buddy does like, he does freaking like 80 driveways and like 35 commercial places with 5 trucks. It's like,
That's a lot.
that's a fact.
Yeah. One truck breaks down, you're screwed. We, like I said, I like to pride ourselves in the fact that we always show up. We got extra equipment, so when something goes down, we're ready to fill right back in again. And we're not the guys that take your money and run.
Yeah, right?
Want to give it a whirl?
Yeah, let me do that. I got pretty good. I may have to buy one of these.
You guys didn't want to wheelbarrow this?
Good thing we didn't have to.
You could barely walk through it.
Wheelbarrows wouldn't work. That's good. We would have had to lay down some pallets or something.
Yeah. And that would still suck.
Oh yeah. Spencer, you guys do that, I think it was you guys too. I used to have like all white trailers.
Our enclosed trailers are, yeah.
So you guys do for Iskolo development?
Cola?
On North Forest, those office buildings for them?
On the corner?
Yeah, so we do those apartments that are in the same lot as them. I may have to have you just blow it all in that year, and you guys will be right there. It's a fuck ton of mulch. The one on Creekview.
Which it's in the same lot, so what is it, like towards UB?
There's one towards UB, and there's one right down the street, Parkway Apartments.
Oh, is this the special playground sand?
Oh, this is Mason sand.
Oh, really?
Oh, there's.
Holy smokes. You gotta come back in the spring and fix all this?
I was thinking, I don't know, maybe I'll ask you. I was gonna try and wait till it freezes up a little bit and then run the power right through it. What do you think?
I think you're gonna need more than that.
Yeah.
You got an excavator?
I do.
That might be a
I was saying just like smooth it all out.
Smush it. Yeah. And then if you do that, kind of level it off, and then maybe get some dry shredded, and then just cover up top and be done with it. That might hold you over. If you bring your excavator in and kind of patty cake everything together.
Yeah, I might just wait till the spring, honestly.
It might be good to, well, you know what? I would probably bring the excavator in and try to somewhat level this off.
That's what I was thinking.
Just so water ain't sitting in it.
I know.
Because then they're going to be screwed in the spring.
Because in the spring, you're going to deal with the same shit, you know?
Yeah. Well, but you know what though? It would dry up a little quicker in the spring. It might be May. You'll be fixing it, but still.
Yeah.
That's not bad. If you get rid of all the ruts and just...
Yeah, if I just like fill it out a little bit.
Hell, that'd be perfect. So what do you got here? You got just...
So it's just mulch though. Right here.
Gotcha. Okay. All right, we're just wrapping up. Time for a little clean out. You know? Want to blow me off real quick? Just before lunchtime now. I think that's it. I'm all cleaned out.
Hey, yeah, man.
Yep, sounds good.
Exactly. Let me know about you can come next week too.
Yeah, we'll do.
Right on, thank
Looks
you, sir.
good now.
Looks really nice now. Outside of so someone starts walking around in it.
Tape it off.
Exactly.
All right, sounds good.
Appreciate it.
All right, that'll wrap this one up for now. Got her done. Probably, we did 3 hoppers this morning with mulch on site. So, all things considered, the site for one, not too bad. Actually, nice little property here they got. So, heading back to Lewiston now. And who knows what I'm going to get into this afternoon. So, if we don't see you after that, thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next one. Some mulch blowing in December. See ya.